How to hide order history on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are tackling with the most common question, that is, how do you hide or delete your order history on Uber Eats? So let's find out what you can do and what you can't do in 2025. So here, as of 2025, Uber Eats doesn't let you to permanently delete or hide your order history within the app. So here, every order you have made stays visible in your account. So if you're trying to hide your history from order using your phone, the best option is to sign out of your account or use the Uber Eats in guest mode if available on your device. So here, some users chooses to create a separate Uber account to avoid a visible history, but this may affect saved addresses, rewards, and referrals. So we don't recommend this unless it's really necessary. And with that, you can also try contacting Uber Eats support if you have specific reason to remove or hide an order, like a privacy concern. So here with that, you can just go to the account section and here you can just tap on help, and after that you can just tap on help with order or accounts or payments, or you can select any regions, and after that on the new page you can just tap on chat with support. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And here, if Uber adds a way to hide or delete order history, we will update this video. So here, make sure to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.